CNC vertical turning and milling composite turning center, milling, drilling, and boring in a single setup, redefining the manufacturing process for heavy-duty parts. With a maximum machining diameter of 1600 millimeters, height of 1200 millimeters, and load capacity of 8,000 kilograms, it handles heavy-duty discs and box-type workpieces effortlessly. Boasting a spindle speed of 30 to 2,000 R per minute, a main motor power of 30 to